What's up, guys? How you doing? Welcome to another action-packed episode of JDTV Co. Well, I got your attention. Like, comment, subscribe, and ring your bell for notifications so you never miss another one of these. We have a little problem today with dogs, and Charlie, come here. Come here, Charlie. Come on. Come here. Good boy. Come here. Okay. Real quick, so you know, Charlie is by himself today. This is the first time he's ever been alone in his life, right? Nick, yep. Right? Because he was born, he had his brothers around him. He made a road trip from Georgia to here. He had a brother with him that one of our customers has, and he has Sturgill. But today Sturgill is getting his teeth cleaned at the doggy dentist because he was a rescue and his teeth weren't exactly in great shape because they don't take care of you when you're in a puppy mill. So we're getting him squared away. And nothing for nothing. Buy some tools this weekend because getting a dog's teeth cleaned in New Jersey is $1,356. It's insane. Crazy. Insane. I was going to do it myself. Anyway, let's get right to the show. I'm going to leave him here, and hopefully he'll be okay. He's not happy. Okay. What do you want to talk about first? Mueller-Kueps or Milwaukee? They both start with M, coincidentally.
Yeah.
Right?
Whatever you're feeling.
Let's talk about Mueller-Kueps because how do you say it?
Mueller-Kueps.
Say it again?
Mueller-Kueps.
Mueller-Kueps. Because if I don't say it right, some guys lose their minds, Nick, you know? All right. Could you, here, just walk, why don't you walk around and do your own thing and I'll just, you know, focus on the tools. Okay. First of all, they came out of needle scaler. Needle scalers have been out for 100 years. But what they did is they made it pistol grip. Okay? This is like the guy on TikTok with the cows. He cooks with cows.
Oh, yeah.
So they made it pistol grip, much more small, more compact. Instead of holding it like this, very uncomfortable. This is pistol grip. I like it. How much is this?
$338.
338. That's my order. $338, and this will take the rust off whatever you got rusted. And if you live in the Salt Belt, New Jersey to Ohio, Indiana, right? You're going to need this. Definitely. If you live in Florida, saltwater too, Nick. Maybe get a little salt there. You'll need it in Florida too. You've all seen wrench extenders. We even make our own wrench extender, but at Mueller-Kueps they make one for every size wrench. Like this is the biggest one?
That is the biggest one.
I think you put like a 36 millimeter wrench in here, no problem. And this thing's heavy, $179. But if you're working on heavy, big stuff, you need to extend your wrench, you need this.
We sell a lot of those. We
sell a lot of them, we really do. And then Mueller-Kueps came out with this one, because there's a lot of different sizes in between these. But they came out with this little one. And this thing sells really well too, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you get a 10 millimeter, 8 millimeter, need a little longer, put it right in here. And this will not void your snap-on warranty, especially if you don't tell them.
Definitely.
I wouldn't tell them, would you?
Nope.
Little breakage, I don't know what happened. I was taking out a little bolt and it snapped. And when I was at SEMA this year, I gotta do a video on SEMA. Guys, leave in the comments below if I should do a video on SEMA flaming all the people I talk to out there who promise you the world and come home and don't even pick up return a phone call. Nick, what do you think?
I mean, you might as well wait till next SEMA because it's probably going to be the same cycle.
Well,
it's the same show every year.
Yeah, but I mean, like these guys are, I'm sorry, you're right, I'm 100% wrong. Insert Coke in here. That's why Coke hates us, right? Because we called them out on it. Because they didn't return an email for 2 years.
I think that Coke and craze is over anyway.
You think? Yeah, we don't sell as much as we used to, right? We still sell it, but not like it used to sell. Hang on, let me get my dog. He put himself in a predicament where he can't get down, can't cross back over the thing. Okay, and guys, if you work in a shop, you probably have a tire changing machine, and you always have these little bars that you always lose, bend, or misplace, or somebody can steal them. And there's a lot of different versions of these, but they're scrap. They bend, they twist, everything. These are made by Mueller-Kueps, and they are very, very nice, high quality. And guess what, Nick?
What?
This is not made in China.
Really?
I'm shocked.
Where's it made?
Where do you think it's made?
Germany?
Germany.
Nice.
So you know it's quality.
Yeah.
How much you know what this is?
The straight one is $68.95. Then the knee style is $69.95.
What do you call this?
Knee.
The knee style is how much?
$69.95.
$69.95 for the knee style. Never heard that expression. This one's also made in Germany. So if you need one of the, and I seen these at SEMA, and I was like, you know what? People are always asking for these, and I know there's a lot of cheaper versions of them, and they're like I said, they're garbage. So when we came back from SEMA, we ordered them, and we've been selling them quite well. Right?
Yeah.
Where are they available, Nick?
On the JDTV app and website.
Or
Come to the store.
Nick, we were in the store yesterday, right?
Yes.
Was it a wild day yesterday?
Yeah, we had everybody and anybody.
We had
come
people
in.
come from every inch of New Jersey and from North Carolina. We had somebody come in. Or there was another state.
Cow farmer.
Merlin. We had a cow farmer. We had it. We're gonna do a bingo card. We're gonna do a JDT bingo card and like scratch off what comes in during the day. We have this place gets a little wild sometimes.
Yeah, yesterday was definitely a busy walking day.
Yeah, it was crazy. It was insane. It was a very busy day yesterday, for the record. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Okay. Also, Mueller-Kueps came out with this set, and it's called a 90-degree adapter kit. Again, I seen this at SEMA, and I said, you know what? It's a little wacky, a little bizarre, but you know what? Let's bring them in, and they've been selling fabulously. And what it is, it's a set of adapters in 3/8 and 1/2 inch. And just so you got a little tight spot to get into, you can put your extension on there. You could put a socket on there. You could put a crow foot on there. Hang on, I want to give you the full Magilla. Just like, again, any predicament you got to get into, you can do it. It's just anything you want, it'll do it. It's a really, really nice concept that they came up with. And need a distributor wrench? I just made one. You know the distributors, Nick?
No.
When I first started as a tool dealer, I was a Mac tool dealer, we had a complete board of distributor wrenches. We used to sell them all the time. Now cars don't even have them. But back in the day, we sold tons of distributors, wrenches, timing lights we sold. And what was another thing we sold back then that we would never sell today? Nick, give me the remote starter button, please. I had a guy come in. We have a customer that comes in. I believe he's Polish. He doesn't speak very good English. But whenever he comes into the store, he'll ask for something. And he doesn't speak very, very good English. And he doesn't know how to describe what he wants. He usually draws a picture of it. And, we'll find it for him. Like last week, he wanted a hose clamp pliers with a cable.
Yes.
And he was asking for a burring tool, right? And I said, I think I know what you want. I showed it to him. Yeah. So he came in last week, and he's like, and he wanted a remote starter button. Now, I've been selling tools. My first year was 1985, and I can assure you we used to sell a ton of remote starter buttons, a ton of them. You always had a few different styles on the truck. Mac made one, OTC made one, and we always sold them. Guys always burnt them out. We always warrantied them. It was a big seller. But like, ever since the Power Pro came out, nobody uses a remote starter button anymore because you just use your Power Pro because everybody has one, and you just use that. So this guy came in here. He wanted a remote starter button, and I was like, I don't have one. I said, and I was trying to explain to him, but again, he doesn't speak good English. I speak very little Polish. I know about 3 words. Zapłać being one. If you're Polish, what does zapłać mean? What does sure mean? And one more. What does wariaka mean? That's my 3 favorite Polish words.
Okay.
Leave it in the comments below.
I'm gonna assume those are bad words.
Actually, no. Maybe one is borderline, but no. So anyway, he's like, I really just need the button. I said, I'll get you a button. No problem. So I ordered it for him. And when I picked it up at the warehouse, look, you can't see it, but it has like an inch of dust. Not an inch, but it's got
a film on it.
It's got a dusty film on it because this has been sitting on this shelf for quite a long time. Okay? But I have one in stock now. And I didn't buy 2 because I'll probably never sell this one. But when he comes in, it's here. And that's, it's cool, with the store. That's what, like, a lot of guys come in the store, and it's always for, like, a rescue project, right, Nick?
Oh, yeah.
Like, yesterday we had strip lug nuts, a guy who was trying to drill out a thread for the tight spot for heli coil. It's always a rescue mission when it's here, but it's all good. That's why we're here. Okay, I covered Mueller-Kueps. I covered the Lyle button. I covered Charlie. Easy, buddy. It's okay. So we always buy a lot of closeouts here at Jersey Discount Tool, and we try to get you guys some good deals. So we were looking, and we found these wrench sets on Closeout. We had to buy a lot of them, but this set goes from 7mm to 17mm, and it's got no name on it. So this is before they were going to probably put it through a laser, Nick, correct?
I mean, I don't know if the name be like forged on there, or maybe somebody was going to laser it.
I think they were going to laser it, but it came from one of our manufacturers that you will see on one of these shelves here, and they own a couple different brands for different parts of the world, let's say, right?
Something like that.
Something like that. So we got these wrenches, and again, it's a pretty nice quality wrench, and I'm not saying it's better than Snap-on, but you know what? If you're going to put it in your camper, your glove compartment, your side-by-side, your snowmobile, your shed, your farm, whatever, I think this wrench set will make you very happy in life. And the best part about this wrench set is what, Nick?
The price.
The price. $34.95. If you walked on a Snap-on Macco truck, Cornwall truck, and just bought this little roll-up pouch, how much do you think it would be?
Probably the same price.
You know what, Nick? We should probably take these out of here, put these on a rack, and sell them separately. But guys, it's all jokes aside, the quality, and it's funny because when we first seen them, I was like, I really want to touch them before I buy a set, because I've been doing this for quite some time, and you guys, I'm sure, have been doing it for quite some time, working on stuff. But like, you could feel quality, and I was like, I don't want to buy these wrenches, and it feels like a cheap set of Cornwall wrenches. So I want to make sure they're better quality than something like that. What, you think they're mad at me?
I mean, those might have been destined for the Cornwall truck at some point in their life.
You never know, Nick. You never know. You never know. Anyway, if you need a set of wrenches, that'll probably be in our closeout section.
Yes.
$34.95. And if you walked on your Snap-on truck for one 10mm wrench, I can assure you it would be more than $34.95 for a 10mm wrench. If I'm wrong, please feel free to leave in the comments below. Right? Okay, Milwaukee. You ever heard of Milwaukee, Nick?
A few times.
A few times, right? Let's talk Milwaukee. Oh, that's somebody. Let's talk Milwaukee. Like I always say, half the price of Snap-on and twice the warranty.
Yes.
Actually, a third of the price of Snap-on and 1/5 of the warranty. That's the truth. This M12 is 3 years, right?
5 years.
It's 5 years? Yeah. 5-year warranty?
Batteries are 3 years.
Oh, that's right. 3 years on a battery, 5 years on a tool. That's insane. And this one, listen, for years, you guys have been saying how Snap-on has a better ratchet. It's got more power, more torque, more speed, and it's got the button, not the paddle, right? Guys love the button. Nobody wanted the paddle. Well, now Milwaukee gives you the option of using the button or the paddle, right?
Yes.
And this thing has plenty of torque. This thing, listen, I was in SEMA, and they had the full demo with the Snap-on ratchet, Milwaukee ratchet. This thing smoked it. Faster, more torque. And like I said, guys, it's a third of the price. And it has 5 times the warranty. That's insane. Nick, how much is a beer tool?
$229.
$229, beer tool, and batteries. There's a million different batteries you can get. Right now we have a literal, can you say shit ton, Nick?
Yeah.
We literally have a shit ton of 5.0 batteries in the store. We have various deals on batteries. Your best bet is to go to the app and website.
Yes.
And again, when you buy a Milwaukee battery from JDTV, I can assure you one thing, it's going to be what, Nick?
A genuine Milwaukee battery.
Not a Fugazi one with some made-up number on the side. People are like, yeah, but I bought one at Amazon. It was a 9.0. 9.0 what? Do you think there's somebody actually testing the battery to make sure it gives you 9 amps? No, it's all made-up bullshit. But this from Milwaukee is a legit 5-amp battery, right?
Yeah.
Torque Test Channel has done numerous tests on it, and it comes up that they're not what they say they are. Right? Yeah. Stop lying to people. What do you think, Charlie? He likes it. And if you're feeling extra bougie, don't forget to get yourself a box of the custom different buttons. It's got 4 different profiles, 5 including this one, and an extra paddle.
Oh yeah, the beard tool does come with the paddle trigger as well.
The beard tool does come with the paddle trigger as well, right?
Yep.
But if you need more options, $39.95. Get yourself all the options. I can't imagine somebody buying this. However, we have been selling a lot of them.
We have sold a lot.
If you bought this in this, please let me know if it was worth the $39.95 to get your different trigger profile.
And weirdly enough, those came out before the ratchets.
And weirdly enough, these were available before the ratchet was, which is insane. Okay, and I'm gonna, in closing, this deal went a little bonkers viral. This is the Milwaukee band file. 2 different sizes, 1/2 inch, 3/8?
Yes.
1/2 inch and 3/8, that's the width. And these things have a million different uses. Guys use them for various fabrication, spot welds, stuff like that. And if you ever used a band file before, an air one or a little noisy, and this one is definitely a breath of fresh air. Right? Yeah. Remember there was a guy who used to sell a kit to make your cutoff tool into a band file? I bet he's kicking it. I bet he kicked his dog this week. What do you think? Anyway, how much are these, Rick?
$199.95.
$195.95. $199.95.
Don't mess up the price. These guys will yell at you.
$199.95 beer tool. I'm a little off today, guys. I was up extra early, driving across New Jersey to drop my dog off, and I said to him, I go to the lady, I go, listen, I said, you got to listen to me for 2 seconds. I said, he's a recent rescue. He's a little fragile, and I don't want him to think I'm dropping him off to never see him again. So please be extra nice to him today. I told her that. I said, this is not easy for me to leave this dog here, because I promised this dog I would never leave him, and I left him today. Okay?
I think he'll be okay.
Nick, me the bad guy, no heart, no soul, and I'm literally crying out the door because I left my dog there. Insane, I know, but I got Charlie here. It's all good. Okay. USA. Am I done?
I think so.
Can I go home now?
I'm ready.
Nick, it's not even 10 o'clock. It's 5 to 10. All right, guys.
Fine.
I hope you had a great week. We had an awesome week. We had St. Patrick's Day. Spent some time with my friends. I thought we'll go out tonight and do a little, maybe have a cocktail or two. What do you think?
Yeah, I might do the same.
Tomorrow, gym, big gym day tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, get off your ass, America, and do something. I'm gonna go to the gym tomorrow morning and then go for a nice 2-mile walk with my dogs and my lovely wife. Because you know what? That's what it's all about. Get off your ass, enjoy life, and do something. And like we always say around here, come for the price, stay for the show. Peace.